Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. If you spend only 7 minutes and 53 seconds, really, I'm sure you will not lose your time to watch this video. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet home decoration ideas. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home crocheting. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet home decorations can bring warmth, texture and a personal touch to any space. Here are some benefits of using crochet for home decor. Customizable colors. Choose colors that match your exciting decor. Textural appeal. Add unique texture to your home environment. Eco-friendly. Often made from natural materials, reducing your carbon footprint. Handmade charm. Provides a personal and handcrafted feel to your home. Versatility. Suitable for any room including living room, bedrooms and kitchens. Budget friendly. Crochet projects can be inexpensive to make, especially if you use leftover yarn. Creative expression enables you to express your creativity through patterns and designs. Relaxing craft. Crochet is a calming and meditative activity. Sustainable. Crochet items last longer than many store-bought alternatives, reducing waste. Personal touch. Make your space feel more personalized and unique. Great gift ideas. Crochet items are perfect for gifting on special occasions. Easy to learn. Even beginners can create simple yet beautiful home decor items. Portable craft. Crochet can be done almost anywhere, making it perfect for on the top go creativity. Variety of projects. From throw pillows to wall hanging, there is no limit to what you can create. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. And I'm always looking for your beautiful comments. So don't forget to leave your beautiful comment also. Increases home comfort. Soft handmade crochet items can make your home feel cozier, durable. Crochet items can be sturdy and last for many years with proper care. Crochet projects. Some crochet items can be completed in a short amount of time, offering instant home improvement. Seasonal decor. Easily create items for holidays or season, that is crochet pumpkins for fall, snowflakes for winter. Functional decor. Crochet can be used to make functional items like baskets, rugs and chair cushions. Enhances texture. Adds a layer of interest and depth to your home's aesthetic. Affordable upgrades. Crochet items can transform a space without the high cost of designer pieces. Dye satisfaction. Completing a crochet project brings a sense of pride and accomplishment. Perfect for all skill levels. Whether you are a beginner or expert, there are projects for everyone. Community. Joining crochet group or online forums can introduce you to a supportive, creative community. There is one thing which really I forgot to discuss with you. If you have any of one special friends, you wanna give him or her some special gift so that he or her can remember that gift for thousands of years. I have very smooth idea for you. If you know crocheting will be very well for you. But if you don't know crocheting, don't worry, we have sorted out the solution. Just make a contact with the guy who know crocheting. First of all, choose the item from all of this video and then give him the order to make any of one designs. If he make the design for your special friend, really, I promise, he will never forget the gift which you have given. He will remember that gift for hundreds of years. Quick project. Some of the crochet items can be completed in short amount of time. So it's really offering instant home improvement also. It's also seasonal decor. So easily you can create item for holidays or seasons, that is summer, winter, holidays or outside also. Every decor will be functional at anywhere. Crochet can be used to make functional items like basket, rugs and chair cushions also. And you can also make table runners with that. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. With happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart. Thank you.